Hey guys, how are you all? And this video we will learn how you can create like this effect, like blasting effect, some of like PUBG Mobile. You can see, you know that PUBG Mobile, PUBG Battle Royale. There's also if we just hit the gas tank, it will be blast. So we just creating same in Unreal Engine. So also this project link description below, so you can download whole project. So first we create a simple actor here. So the actor is our gas tanks. Okay, so now I just drag and drop the gas tank from Megascan asset. I just get this asset from Megascan. The link in the description below. Also you can download if you want, and also it's available in Unreal Engine marketplaces. So now we add a box collision. So the box collision, when our player go under the box collision, it will be give some data to activity. Now we just drag and drop, and I just you can see it's some ground underground. So I just now fix the ground data. So I just give it some up, so and make it some more big, so we can see it clearly. You can see the one is so low and small, so that's why. Okay, it's now enough. Now we need to just place it perfect for our location that we can handle goodly. So if you want, we can drag and drop, user can drag and drop easily. Okay, so you can see the gas tank is now ready. So now we add the blueprint codes. That's how it will work. Okay, so in the event graph, on the event begin place, first we search gas to third person play character. In it's mean that when our third person play character under the box collision, it will be that it will be do some work like blast and other effects. So it's a begin overlap. So I just input with this and connect it with this, and then we'll just simple add the particles from standard contents, and then I just add, you can see some sounds here. So also I just drag and drop and input with it, so we can find a very high quality graphics and some sound quality. So here is a second one. In the second one we also just add it here, the particles. It's the fire particles, and now we add the sound. So here's the sounds particle, and now it's perfect. Now if I play right now, you can see it's now blast, and this position it will be, you can see the rendering the fires. So it's just simple. So I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment box. Bye bye, and the project link in the description below, so please check.